So this is a very interesting looking dropship and a hovercraft that is also included over here. The sets themselves are very good, and specifically the hovercraft with 360-degree movement with the cannon that moves up and down, and a seat for the minifigures. You can put two of them over here. I really like this hovercraft, and the dropship is very interesting as well. As you can see, this is a very interesting dropship. It's actually the same one that very similar to the one they used in the previous set from a few years back, but this one is a little bit made right from scratch from the bottoms up, and it is created with just Lego small pieces and elements, which makes it very unique and interesting. In the back over here we have a cannon, and we have those things that move a little bit on the side. We have two places for you to put the minifigures, and we have the cockpit over here that we can stick one of the main builds in here. Overall, we are getting very nice vehicles, two of them for this fact. Now let's go ahead and check out the minifigures. So the first one of notice is this one over here. This is the AT-AT, and this one is the 25-year anniversary of this minifigure, which makes it just really unique and interesting. In fact, this might be one of the reasons some people are actually buying this entire set, is just for this exclusive build. For me, I'm just buying this set for this one. The hovercraft is just beautiful, and I really like it. Now let's go ahead and examine the actual minifigures. So we have the actual minifigures over here, which are the stormtroopers. We have three of them that are included. Each of them has a different kind of head to them. So we have a white one, red skin, and a dark skin minifigure, which are the stormtroopers, and each of them has a weapon included. So this is a very good, interesting touch to them, because every time you reveal a different face with those figures. Now the next one over here is the ones who man the dropship or the hovercraft, whichever one you prefer. There's three of them over here, and there's one dark one and two more who are white looking, or whatever you call it. And yes, it's very interesting looking, and it gives you this retro vibe to them. I really like the retro vibe altogether for these minifigures. By the way, those stands are not included. Those are my custom stands, just to make it interesting. And if you really want to prefer, I actually really enjoyed going back to the basics with the stormtroopers. So I think they look really nice all together. You get a lot of really good variation in this interesting looking sets. You're getting the Lego, you're getting a battle pack here, you're getting a hovercraft, and a dropship. Actually, it's the other way around, but that's alright. So this one is the hovercraft, this is the dropship. But altogether, there's a lot of value in this set. It's actually combining two different sets and making it into one. Although I would have preferred it to be actually separate, this is the way it actually goes. But you will really enjoy this set. I think you will really like it. And of course, if you like the battle packs, this is great. You can buy two of those, and then you have two different combinations of sets. One of the most important and interesting things I forgot to mention is the actual gun, and it is silver that they actually are using, which is very exclusive. It's really hard to find those in different Star Wars sets. So overall, the value is right here. There is a lot of really good pieces, parts, and minifigures all combined. So I put them all together, and I put the minifigures right inside so you can see how it actually looks like when you finish the build and put the minifigures on here. One thing you will notice is this right here. It does have stud shooters in both of those locations, which makes this battle pack more practical and real. And we also have start shooters right here as well, and they can shoot in both directions as well. So when you take it out and you move along, it is tons of fun. And also you can see that since this one is a dropship, you're dropping them and they're ready to go to battle. And this one over here is the hovercraft, and it really slides really good, and you can stick any minifigures in here. You can either stick the 3 that are included, and those could be interchangeable with the other ones as well. Overall, you're getting a very nice set, and you have a lot of tons of fun that you're going to be having with this battle pack. In the 25-year anniversary, this specific pink one is just gorgeous. I think that if you're getting this set, this might be what is really worth it. For the amount of money you're paying for this, I think this is going to be something that's going to be collectible, and it's going to be worth much more. And one last thing, since I was having so much fun with this battle pack, I have decided to make a small modification over here. I made this a little bit smaller, the engine compartment, and I put an actual engine right at the front. So now it looks even more better, in my opinion. So what do you guys think? Should I make any more LEGO videos? And do you like my modification idea for this specific set?